Hello. One of the questions I get asked quite often is, how do you know what your renovated property will actually sell for? So I'm going to share my screen with you again and just show you a quick way of calculating or having a good look at what other properties in your suburb have sold for, which is a good start in helping you calculate what your renovated project will achieve. So let's go back onto realestate.com.au, but this time we're going to go to sold properties. And I've chosen Greenwood again as our example. So I've typed in Greenwood, and once again we want to change the property type to house, and we want to untick surrounding suburbs so that we're only looking at houses that have sold in Greenwood. Now the next thing that we need to do here is sort by newest to oldest, because we just want to know the houses that have most recently sold to get the best idea of current prices in the suburb. So you'll notice that the first few houses that have shown up here don't have prices on. It says contact agent, and that would be because they are so recently sold in the last day or so or the last week or so. So, you know, the prices haven't been updated yet. So we need to scroll down a little bit. Looks like quite a few have sold this week, which is a good sign for this suburb. So back on the 10th of January, the first one here was sold for $460,000. So by doing this, we can actually click on the photos, we can click on the description, and we can find out how close in characteristics these houses are to our own renovated house, and just start looking at these actual sold prices, which gives us a much better idea of what our renovated property is likely to sell for. So that's a good place to start. Obviously, there's a lot more that you need to take into consideration. I've actually created a workbook called 3 Ways to Confidently Calculate Your End Sale Price. So if you'd like to download that, you can just do that here on my Facebook page. When you click on Become an Insider, you'll get that free workbook. So once again, happy house hunting and calculating for your renovation project, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.